In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the payment from the customer and settle its full account against all the previous transactions. As we have the date of 25th January, which says Mr. Justin cleared all his previous balance by giving us cash. So what is his previous transaction? Let's see. It had some opening balances of 85,000, and also maybe we have sold something to Mr. Justin. Yes, we did on 14th of January. So these were the items that we have sold. So overall, its balance is an opening balance and a sales invoice. And he's clearing the complete balance. Let's go to the accounting and click on the customers and click on the invoices. Now, if you want to settle a complete account, what we need to do is just sort it by the customer. And this is customer. Both of these invoices are located here. Just check both of them and click on pay. So this one is opening balance and this one is during the year. Click on pay and we are receiving the payment in cash. So we have already created the journal cash. You can check the journal configuration, manual payment, and the amount is mentioned as a total here. That's correct. And date of transaction is 25th of January. So let's select 25th of January. And do you want to group the payments? Yes, I want to group it as a single payment. And in the narration, you can just mention here this as a memo and click on create payment. Now it's set to paid. If you want to check the customer ledger after that, just click on the customer and click on customers. And as we can see, Justin balance is 0 now. Also, let's go to the reporting and click on partner ledger. And we can see here for Justin, debit and credit both are this total amount and the balance is now 0. If you want to check this entries, just drill down here and you can see these invoices were booked, and against that, this is the group payment that is cleared against that. So perfect treatment. That's how you do it. And if you want to locate that payment, just go to the customers and click on payments. And this is the payment made. And you want to check the journal entry effect, just go to the top and here it says journal entry. Just click here and it says account receivable is credit and cash is debit because we have received the cash against the customer payments. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.